To think it's been 80 years and I was there on day one. The day my father founded JCB. My father was an engineering genius and an inventor. Today we'd call him an innovator. Only someone with his genius would make his first tipping trailer with wheels from a fighter plane and hubs from an artillery gun. Always tap, tap, tapping. Tinkering away, remodeling, fixing what wasn't really broken. Creating solutions to problems we didn't even know were there. In time, a bright yellow future was born. Our breakthroughs came from iteration as much as imagination. Revolution as much as evolution. From a digger to a hydrodig. From diesel engines to hydrogen power. Clever engineers and hard work made it real. Our family motto is Jamais content, never content. We always look for a better way. We always keep moving, never looking back. First on site, the last to leave, we build our own engines, axles and gearboxes. We make our own cabs and hydraulic rams. We are designers and engineers of our own future. We set records. We break records. We help our customers to build better, build faster, dig deeper, lift higher, load more, and create a more sustainable future. Good products with service backup that is second to none. Sell the sizzle and the substance. That's what we do. Always looking for a better way. Because at JCB, we're never content. We never rest on our laurels. Happy birthday, JCB.